Well, it's the 6th of March in the afternoon at 4ish, 4:30. This is the third time that it's stormed down today. And if you can see, it's up Forest Road. It's really coming down. It's really windy. The trees are going crazy. I don't know if you can see the trees there. And as you can hear, it's stormy, and there's been loads of lightning, thunder and lightning. And it's hailstones that's coming down. Big hailstones, well, big stones. So that's London this afternoon, or early evening, 6th of March 2022, London town. Oh, it's been a really windy day today. I'm going to put the video up of the rain yesterday. And today we haven't had loads of crazy rain and thunderstorms. The sunset is fantastic. But there's an angry sky. Look at that angry sky. That's angry. Look at that angry sky. So I'm going to put this with the video from yesterday. Yesterday early evening it was, wow, the lightning and thunder, and the rain, oh my gosh. And it burst down, and then it was sunshine. And then an hour later it burst down again, and thunder and lightning. And then it was sunshine. And today it's been really windy. They said the winds were 35 miles an hour to 37 miles an hour. But the trees were going crazy, and I'm sure the winds were lots faster than what they were saying. But it's really calm out there now. The sky looks angry, but it's calm. It's one of the things I'm going to really miss about living here when I move, if I eventually move, is this wonderful picture that I get every day. Every day. The artist. Look at that. Anyway, hope everyone's had a great day. And love you all. Don't forget to love yourselves. Lots and lots. And Kobe dog is asleep on the sofa. Tom's in the kitchen asleep. And I've got my new computer and everything, which I haven't even unboxed yet. My friend Brian is going to help me put it all together and sort it all out, and sort out the animation to do my books. So hopefully that will all happen soon. Love you lots. Love yourselves more. Bye bye.